Welcome back to Wali Restoration, where we breathe new life into timeless pieces of history. Today we've got something truly special, a delicate Russian fan dating back to the 18th century. Fans like this were more than just practical items. They were symbols of status, elegance, and beauty. But over time, even the most precious artifacts can fade. Let's take a closer look at the fascinating process of restoring this ancient fan. This fan, like many from that era, is made from fragile materials like silk, paper, and wood. You can see the wear and tear clearly: faded colors, torn fabric, and damaged spines. Our goal today is to bring this fan back to its former glory while preserving its historical authenticity. The first step is disassembly. With something this delicate, patience is key. I'm carefully removing the spines, separating the fabric, and documenting each step to ensure we can reassemble it perfectly later on. Notice how each part is numbered and labeled. That's crucial when dealing with antiques. Next, we begin the cleaning process. Dirt, dust, and even mold can accumulate over centuries, so we use very soft brushes and a mild pH-neutral solution to clean the fabric and wood. This part is all about precision. Too much pressure, and we could cause more harm than good. Now that the fan is clean, it's time to address the structure. Several of the spines are broken, so we'll carefully repair them using a blend of original and modern materials. The trick is finding the perfect balance: modern materials for strength, but without losing the authentic look of the original fan. The silk leaf of the fan is one of the most beautiful elements, but also one of the most fragile. We use special stabilizing techniques to repair the tears without compromising the fabric's flexibility. In some cases, we'll have to replace parts of the silk with a material that matches the original as closely as possible. Now comes the most intricate part: restoring the artwork. This fan features beautiful floral motifs, but they've faded significantly over time. Using historical references, I'm carefully retouching the paint, making sure to replicate the original colors and patterns as authentically as possible. With the repairs complete, it's time to reassemble the fan. This step is always exciting because it's where you see all the hard work come together. Each spine is carefully placed and the fabric is secured back in its frame. Now our ancient Russian fan is starting to look like it did centuries ago. And here it is, fully restored, a piece of Russian history, revived. From the vivid colors to the delicate spines, this fan can now be appreciated once again, just as it was in its prime. The journey of restoring an artifact like this is challenging, but incredibly rewarding. It's not just about fixing a broken item, it's about preserving a piece of our shared heritage. Thanks for joining us today on this restoration journey. If you enjoyed watching, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more incredible restorations. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Until next time, keep restoring history one piece at a time.